Wait, make a slide bubble. Wait, we have to do something, okay? We're just going to pause for a little. 3. Hi, we're best friends, and we make slime. Okay, so first, let's start with some stretching. Now let's put it up. Stretch 1, 2, and 3. Oh! It's really big! Did you see how big that was? That was so big. I was thinking it's the cereal because we ate cereal. Yeah. Because yesterday we ate a sandwich. And it was like super big. So, yeah. That's why we're trying again. We ate cereal. And we keep doing it. Stretch 1, 2. 1, 2, and 3. Oh! Do you see that? I really want to replay it, but I don't know how. So we'll just watch a video after this. Yeah. Okay. So stretch it out. Stretch it. 1. Oh, it's really small. 1, 2, and 3. It's not a cereal then. It is a cereal because we made the first one was like really big. Oh, straight. It's because maybe our battery is being low. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And it's making that noise because we're on a glass table. So sit down. Sit down. Wait. Because like there's slime on the edges and there's glitter on the table. Sit down. So we're trying to make a bubble for the slime. And as you know, our sister can. Oh, she just left. She's right there. Oh, she just left. Well, our sister left. She's right there. She's really rude to us. Yep.
I just don't like how you guys are treating me.
Were you rude to us? Echo!
You are being rude to me.
Okay, let's just try to make a slime bubble. Again. You're right there, Nadia. It fell off Tilly. She's right there. She's right there. She has the cat. We're trying to make a slime bubble. Slime bubble. Slime bubble. Slime bubble. Slime bubble. Slime bubble. Storm. Storm. No. Can we show the cat? This is my cat. She wants to use it every single day. Yeah. Good. 1, 2, and. Okay, right now, do you want to play Roblox? Sure. I didn't change my phone. Guys, I'm making my tennis. We're not actually going to play Roblox. I can't wait to play Roblox. Me too. She's ready to talk. I'm trying to make her tennis. 1, 2. And it ripped. Okay. This time, let's stretch it just a little. Okay. So it doesn't rip.
Look what Pablo's watching on his TV.
2. And
What? The class is watching Peppa Pig on his TV.
and bubble. So maybe someone is fixing it, not me.
Sheesh. Sandra, you don't have to get on that.
Did you saw the person over there? What? That's fixing the TV that was in Papa's room? Yep. Maybe he's fixing it. Okay, guys. Get you a piece today, and we're going to show you what it has inside. I'm going to start first, okay? So this is like a slime. It has glitter in it. And it has pink, purple, no, not purple. These things, I don't know what they're called. Okay. And then, yeah. So it's delicious. Okay. I'll show you what's in this. Wait, guys. I'm going to pause. Yes. This is not allowed to say. Okay. Done. Okay. In this piece of slime, you can see there is some glitter spots. And then there's pink glitter, but I don't think you can see that. But it's like really small. It makes your hand all glittery. And easy to make in a ball. Very stretchy. See? And glitter just fell. It's on my shirt now. And then in this, there's like 1,000 pieces of glitter. And there's like little small chunkies that in the camera doesn't show, but there's like a lot of small pieces of pink glitter. So, and then there's silver, red, and blue, and like chunkies of something. I don't know what's inside there. So yeah. That's all for this video. But let's try to make another slime after, like right before we end this video. We didn't expect to do another video. Yeah. But yeah, go. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, it was supposed to green here. I know. I wish we could. Should we do one more or just end the video now? Yeah, end the video so you guys could be good. Have a good rest. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So yeah, and wait. And hit that notification bell. Okay, so hit the bell. Yeah. Bye.